Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kanips Hotel Management Shillong, Kuin Gishlem Jinghikai, Hak Hospitality, Hak Artruk Unailar, Ajar Posau, Claraki Kijinya Lynti, Kabalai Po Snem, Hakabaka Ajing Shakri, Shaki Samla, Nadu Blessing House Nem Kakandai Spark Polai. Hagagas ngilek men melapenlong Hashlam Jinghikai jaga Nips kebadan Hakashnong Kedat Namen Song Lasakilang daga program executive jangka Akash Vani Shillong North East Service ke Kongsi Mary Malgyang kebalalong kum ke Kongsan ringkat ke Jindonlang jung center head ke Nips uba Wellborn kar Noy kinong hikai kinong tre bagi Samla pule join ke Shlam Jinghikai. Shuaban penkut ia kini ke ngilek men la Samru ia ki kusnam shiki Samla pule kebeliau ia ki jing Shahikai pentebet nak kini ke Shlam Jinghikai.
Wow! Hey, round of applause!
Eager to learn, grow, and make my mark. And now, as I prepare to pass the torch, I want to share some valuable lessons I've learned along the way. First and foremost, remember that hospitality industry is not just a career, it's a way of life. It's about creating unforgettable experiences, building meaningful connections, and making every guest feel seen, heard, and valued. Never stop learning. Our industry is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires a commitment to ongoing education and training. Be adaptable, be resilient, and be open-minded. Every guest, every situation, and every challenge is an opportunity to grow and improve. Remember that teamwork always makes the dream work. We are all part of a larger family. By working together, create an exceptional experience for our guests. And finally, never lose sight of why we do what we do. We are in the business of making memories, of creating moments that will last a lifetime. As you continue on your own journey in hospitality industry, I offer these final words of advice. You stay curious, stay passionate, and always keep a smile on your face. That is very important in hospitality industry. I want to see you growing in life. Thank you so much for my side.